Hey everyone, I did this video here, so sound clips. I installed this Legato exhaust I bought for my 2014 Camaro SS. Really inexpensive. You can look them up at their, the Legato website. But just a couple things on the install. When it was up on the ramps here, removing the suitcase mufflers, which you can see here, these are ones that come from the factory, was slightly problematic. You do have to get the saws all positioned just right and everything, but once I figured it out, I did manage to cut them off. Uh, and I did get them off and get the new ones on. The only thing is, and I'm going to send an email to Legato on this, their instructions said you measure from these hangers in the back, that you can see the two back hangers through the grommet there, and it said to measure back 9.5 inches and cut the pipes. Now, had I done that, I would have been in trouble. As is, I think I measured back about 6.5, 7 inches and cut them, and they fit perfect. I held them up, and I could see that if I cut back 9.5 inches from where they told me to, that I was going to be in trouble. And I would have been in trouble. They would not have fit on. I would have been short. So that's the only thing, check with that. Make sure that you hold them up before you cut, and make sure that the fitment does look correct before you cut those pipes, because once you cut them, if you cut them too short, you are going to be in trouble. So here is this is a Legato on. They look really nice. And when it's down on the ground, they look nice. I have some pictures at the end of the video of it down on the ground. There's the factory, those big ugly suitcase mufflers off of there. So anyways, right on to the sound clips here, and I'll run through a couple different before and after clips, and I really am happy with this thing. Sounds pretty good.